Press the bell icon and never miss any update from What's Up Bollywood. Hello everyone, welcome to What's Up Bollywood. Bigg Boss season 15's contestant Karan Kundra always had a very controversial life. And one of the controversy from his life is also making headlines these days before he is going to enter in Bigg Boss season 15. Bigg Boss season 15 contestant Karan Kundra and Anusha Dandikar's breakup is the talk of the town. So now let me tell you how their love story started and how it ended. Bigg Boss 15 contestant Karan Kundra and Anushka Dandikar had a typical Bollywood love story as they met at airport and fell in love. They dated for 5 years before they broke up. Karan and Anusha met at airport and soon it was love at first sight for Karan Kundra. He lost his heart to Anusha in first meet. They began to talk and soon realized that they enjoy each other's company. During the whole journey, they were hanging out together. Karan Kundra and Anusha Dandikar love story were about to begin. Two became friends in the first meet itself and kept on meeting each other. The couple started dating and soon made it official on Instagram. The couple shared this news with their fans. The world was left in awe with this couple. They posted many romantic pictures together in their various social media networking sites. Karan and Anusha were always seen together and has done many projects on small screen. One such show was MTV's dating show Love School. Soon the couple started living in a live-in relationship to understand each other. Many a times, both were seen posting pictures on social media accounts, being all mushy and giving us some major couple goals. On Valentine's Day 2020, Karan Kundra and Anusha Dandikar launched their own clothing label, Man Up, Woman Up. Anusha was often being trolled a lot for dating Karan Kundra. Fans of Kritika Kamra, who is Karan's ex, didn't like Karan moving on and started trolling their relationship a lot. Anusha received a number of hate comments on her social media. After which, Karan Kundra and Anusha Dandikar's love life was under a doubt, as during lockdown, Anusha was living at her place and Karan was living in Mumbai. The couple denied the rumors of their breakup at first. Earlier, in an interview with Hindustan Times, Karan Kundra had spoken about the rumor of his breakup with Anusha and had said, "I'm very happy and productive person and I don't give shit to any speculations. Frankly, I have started getting a bit bored with it. The other day, I saw an article from 2012 and then also the same things were happening. My dad called and asked me what's happening and I told him it was nothing." He further said, "I'm answerable about my performance and work, not whom I'm dating and whom I'm not dating. There are some of my friends who get horrored by all these things that how can people say such thing about them. I'm not that person and Anusha isn't that person either." Karan had to say something else, but Anusha Dandikar finally broke her silence on her breakup. She posted a picture quoting R.M. Drake and penned a long note on how the year 2020 turned out for her. Excerpt of the quote in the picture can be read as, "That's the thing. If they were the really one, then why do you spend so many nights overthinking? Why do you feel unsure about the relationship? Why do you keep having sleepless nights?" Talking about how everything she said about love in the show, Love School, was real, Vijay Anusha wrote, "So here it is, before the year end. Yes, I did a show called Love School. Yes, I was your love professor. Yes, everything I shared and the advice I gave has always been real and from my heart. Yes, I love hard, so hard. Yes, I don't leave till there is nothing left for me to try and fight for. Yes, even I am human. Yes, even I lost myself and some of my self-respect. Yes, I have been cheated and lied to. Yes, I waited for an apology, which never came. Yes, I learned actually I had to apologize and forgive myself. And yes, I grew, have grown and will continue to grow from all of it and look at the positive." Further, Anusha emphasized on loving oneself before loving someone else and wrote, "You have watched me love so openly. Now please watch me love myself till I'm so full that I can share it with someone again someday. My advice one last time. Love comes in many forms. Just don't let it consume so much that you lose you. Let love be respectful, kind, and most importantly, honest. I deserve it, you deserve it. The most important thing is understanding this because we accept the love we think we deserve. Thank you for always loving me the way you do My A team, I love you. Forever grateful for the good and the bad. All our lessons learned. My love story now begins with me. To note, this is how Anusha Dandekar and Karan Kundra broke up. Well, what do you think about it? Let us know in the comments below. And for more such updates, keep watching What's Up Bollywood.